outside, y'all. We're finally out with the G, the '08 G35. Honestly, y'all, I think I'm gonna give all the cars names, bro. This is gonna be the Silver Surfer. You know what I'm saying? It's a silver car. So this is Silver Surfer now, right? So the '08 Silver Surfer. We got my black car, Batman. You know what I'm saying? Got the hit with the Batman. And then we got the blue G, which is gonna be Superman because I don't know, like it's blue with red guts. You know, I think that's just like the closest thing to Superman, whatnot. But now we're outside with Silver Surfer, y'all. Now today, bro, I just want to give y'all a little bit of a different video, bro. Right now, I'm just gonna give y'all more of like an update where the car's at right now, just because it's kind of getting close to the end, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm about to get ready to sell the car. You know, time to actually like move on to a different platform and whatnot. Which, unfortunately, I have some unfortunate news. I was supposed to go look at a car, and it sold. My boy Vic, he already know, bro. It's just sold, bro. I literally the day I was getting ready to go look at it and everything, like I'm ready, like I'm about to pull the trigger. They're like, yeah, man, it sold last night. Someone came by, took it. Bro, it was a manual BMW, bro. It's gonna be my like first like full manual experience. Anyways, I'm chatting, bro. Let's get back to the G35, y'all. So where's the car at right now? So right now the car is really doing pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. There's a couple of things that you guys may notice that I haven't really did too much highlight on, such as like new headlights. I do have daytime running in them. You know what I'm saying? They look pretty good. They got full functionality and stuff. You know, let me turn it on so I can see it real quick. Just so we can like talk about it, bro. Look at that starter animation, bro. Catch that. I know it's daytime, so I probably can't really see it too well, but got the starter animation and shit. I think it's clean, bro. I built these headlights a couple months ago, so like honestly, it was cool to throw them on. But right now, the car, y'all, is faultless to a degree. There's no more light foot airbag. I got that situated. We placed the new what was that cluster clock something some clock cluster, but y'all know what I'm saying, bro. You know what I'm saying? Y'all get it, bro. Y'all get it. You know, the steering wheel, something behind, some sensor behind that should replace that. Two, ABS sensors are replaced, so it kind of fixed up my problem with the ABS light. So now the ABS light is off. But the only problem with the car, y'all, is it still has a check engine light. So, am I going to fix that check engine light? Probably not. Have I attempted to fix it? Yes. I changed out the solenoids for whatever, and I changed out the camshaft sensors. So I changed out all four, right? When I originally got the car, it had a check engine light code for 3 of the sensors going bad. So I was like, you know what? I'll swap out all 4. You know what I'm saying? Why not? Put all 4 in, new ones. They're bad, bro. I got bad sensors. So then I was like, all right, you know what? I'll double back. I'll get like some newer, like higher, some, you know, more premium sensors. Double back, bro. Get new sensors. Still, same problem persists, bro. Like still all 4 sensors bad. So I went to, you know, the dealer, or not dealer, I went to the shop I'm cool with, bro, RPM, NYC, bro. If you in the city, bro, if you in Queens specifically too, bro, that's the only shop I ever will fuck with, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Nah, there's other shops in the city that may be good, but I trust them with my car. My personal, like the black G will go there if I need something, bro. You know what I'm saying? And that car hasn't seen a shop in about 4 years, bro. So I trust them, bro. That's real trust right there. Now, the gray G now, they did my alignment, and I asked them about the sensors, bro. You know what I'm saying? They did the check and stuff, so I said, yo, where's the sensors at? Like, what's going on and stuff? And they were like, basically, bro, you got bad sensors. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, you know what? Cool, bro. We'll double back, like I said. We'll circle back. We'll get some new sensors and whatnot. And then I was like, why not, bro? So I got new sensors, bro. Tried them in again. Same thing, bro. Got bad sensors twice, bro. Yes, I could swap them out again and redo it and stuff. Am I going to do it? No. I'm not going to lie. I'm not doing it, bro. But this is where the car's at, yeah. Just want to give you a little progress update, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too long, not too crazy. Some plans for it right now. Today is actually just like a big like prep day. So this is gonna be like the big thing when it comes to selling a car and flipping a car, y'all. You do have to do prep of like cleaning it up and taking pictures. So today we got it washed up. Looks really good right now. Now what I'm going to do is just take some pictures of it, and we're gonna save those pictures until all the paperwork comes in, and then we're gonna post it for sale when the paperwork comes in. And then I can use that money to get the beam, bruh. It's time, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Put that money on a down payment on a cool beam, bruh. And we gonna be chilling, bruh. My hands probably dry as we gonna be chilling, bruh. So right now I'm just gonna get some pictures real quick, and I'll show you some of that in a little bit. All right, bro. You can start recording now.
Shit, hands dry, bro. Got you.
Yeah, I'm kind of dry, gang.